Ever posted something on Instagram and instantly wished you added one more picture? Maybe you forgot a shot, maybe you wanted to make it a carousel, but deleting your original post feels like a hassle. Well, with Instagram's latest update, there's a simple workaround that lets you add an extra photo even after posting. And today, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can fix your post in seconds. First, open your Instagram profile and tap the plus icon just like you normally do when creating a post. Pick your original photo, tap next, and share it. Once it's live, it'll show up as a single image on your profile. And this is where the trick begins. Open the post you just uploaded and tap the three dots in the top right corner. You'll see a list of options, and instead of choosing edit, tap archive. The post will instantly disappear from your profile, but don't panic. It's safely stored in your archive. Now go back to the plus icon again to create a new post. This time, select multiple images. Make sure to pick the original photo first, then choose the new picture you want to add. Adjust your filters or layout, tap next, and share it. Just like that, your updated post with all the photos you wanted is now public, without you needing to fully delete the original version. This little hack is perfect for anyone who wants to expand a post, fix a missing photo, or simply keep everything looking clean and intentional on their profile. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to stick around for more simple guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.